how you can view and download all your information and activity history from Facebook. After all those discussion on Facebook security and privacy settings making headlines earlier this year, Facebook has made all its user data accessible to users in their desktop interface directly. Let me just walk through that whole process and let you know how you can do it yourself. So in your Facebook homepage, you have to go to the top right menu and then go to settings. In settings, you'll have to select your Facebook information from the menu on your left. So if you want to view all your information by one after another category, you'll have to just click on view next to access your information section. So here you can find all the categories of history that you have, your activities and everything. You can directly see over here, like the post you have shared, the photos and videos, likes, reaction. So here all the categories that are mentioned related to all the activities available on Facebook. So you can go to any of these. For example, go to posts and you can see all your posts, like your posts you're tagged in, other people post in your timeline. So you can see everything that's in your history, every activity you have performed over the time you have joined Facebook. So in this section you will find everything. Like I'm clicking on your posts. So see, these are my posts that I put on my Facebook profile. Like my birth date is here. It's a post because I've updated it and it's on my Facebook feed, so I can see it from here since it's an active account. So there are not many posts to share here, so there are just two that this is a temporary account that I've created to explain the video. Next, these are other categories that you can see. So now you have to go back, and in case you want to download all this information, so you have to go back to your Facebook information section, and next to access your information is download your information. So to download a copy of your information, which you can put it on HTML format or JSON format, you can just click it on view and see. These are all the information. There are different filters that you can put to create your file, like the type of activity information you want to put in that file. You want to view those files. These files can be viewed anytime offline because these are HTML offline files. So you have to select like date range, a certain date range of data that you want to download. The format, I would suggest to use the HTML because it is easy to read and you get all the information over there. Next, you can go to media quality. If you want high quality images and multimedia on the HTML file, go with high option, but this will take lots of internet uses. The best option is the medium one, which will give you good images and also won't use much of your internet. So this is the best access. Now you have to just click on create file and it's loading. It will create a file, and after being processed you will get an option to download it. And after downloading, you can directly view it in any of your computer browser like Chrome or anything. There are many different file openers available which can open HTML files quite easily, and they're really accessible. As you can see, this is a very easy process in which you can view all your historic activities on Facebook, and that's it. So please like, share and comment on this video, and also subscribe to our channel to get to know more about this kind of fix. We will upload one tech video every week, so we will keep you posted and you will stay updated. That's all for today. Thank you.